So now we've got our course printed off, all 9 pages. Here's the contents page. Here's the explanation of what it is. Yeah, what is who. Here's where to begin. And then our first thing is career. Yeah. Here's a list of some ideas about what kind of thing you'll use who for in your career. And here's a breakdown on how to answer something that's called a STAR question, which is a typical HR or recruiter way of interviewing people. We're going to look at that in this video. But before we do, I'll show you the other sections. We've got business. Here's some to career. It's 1 page. Now, in courses like this, people like to see lots of pages. I think, you've got better things to print than 10 pages when one will suffice. So this is very full. Yeah, this is loads of information that you're going to be able to put into practice. Now, here's a worksheet to help you plan things out before you are in any kind of speaking situation. Now here, that would be a job interview, giving a report once you've got the job. Yeah, you're in this video. I want to answer the question, tell me how you worked under pressure. Yeah, once again, a typical STAR thing. So, all right, and here's the goal. Now, it explains in the course what the goals are. There are 4 goals. Here, we're informing, okay? So we've got that down, and now we're going to fill out the rest. We had a store opening. I'm going to open up, yeah. We had a great team of motivated people. So, call to action. I don't think there's a call to action here. You don't really want to ask the interviewer any questions until the end. All right, so let's go back over that one again, yeah. So, tell me about how you worked under pressure. The what, yeah. We had a store opening and we're understaffed, but we had to open on time. Here's the how, yeah. We had a great team of motivated people and we just finished an excellent training course to open the store. Yeah? As an older member of the team, I kept a steady head and was ready to support my colleagues and the management team. Here's the outcome. We opened the store on time, boom, and had one of the best sales days for the company in the region. There's a nice happy ending, isn't there? So this is the kind of way, how long did that take? 30 seconds, and I spoke.